So this is one passage which I found from past papers. इसके हम questions read करते हैं. These are the past papers of BA, लेकिन BS ऑनर्स के हवाले से भी इम्पॉर्टेंट है ये. BSc में भी ये पैसेज आ चुका है. तो देर आर पैसेजेस जो एक क्लास के हों तो वो दूसरी क्लास में भी वही रिपीट होते हुए देखे हैं. दिस इज़ वन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ वन सच पैसेज के दिस पैसेज हैज़ बीन फाउंड इन BSc, इन BA एंड इन ऑनर्स एज वेल. सो क्वेश्चंस पहले रीड करें. What changes have occurred in the profession of teaching during the last 100 years? What were the teachers supposed to be in olden days? What is the function of a teacher nowadays? Suggest a suitable title for the passage. Make a précis of the passage. So these are some questions जो हमने पहले read किए हैं. अब हम प्रेसी को एक रीडिंग देते हैं. क्वेश्चन से हमें आइडिया हो रहा है कि पैसेज जो है वो कुछ टीचिंग के हवाले से बात हो रही है. पैसेज के अंदर टीचर्स के हवाले से बात हो रही है, टीचिंग टेक्निक्स के हवाले से बात हो रही है, ओल्डन डेज़ का कंपैरिजन हुआ है नाउ डेज़ टीचर्स से. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन इन द पैसेज. हमने क्वेश्चंस पहले रीड किए तो हमें पहले से थोड़ा सा आइडिया हो गया कि व्हाट इज़ द पैसेज अबाउट. टीचिंग मोर इवन दैन मोस्ट अदर प्रोफेशंस has been transformed during the last 200 years from a small, highly skilled profession concerned with a minority of the population to a large and important branch of the public service. The profession has a great and honorable tradition extending from the dawn of history until recent times, but any teacher in the modern world who allows himself to be inspired by the ideals of his predecessors is likely to be made sharply aware that it is not his function to teach what he thinks, but to instill such beliefs and prejudices as are thought useful by his employers. In former days, a teacher was expected to be a man of exceptional knowledge or wisdom, to whose words men do well at attend. In antiquity, teachers were not an organized profession, and no control was exercised over what they taught. It is true that they were often punished afterwards for their subversive doctrines. Socrates was put to death, and Plato is said to have been thrown into prison, but such incidents did not interfere with the spread of the doctrines.